This video covers Grist versus NocoDB. Choosing the right no-code database can transform how you manage data without writing complicated code. Grist offers spreadsheet-style flexibility, and NocoDB provides a user-friendly Airtable alternative. Grist and the NocoDB are both no-code databases designed to simplify data organization and collaboration. The core difference is Grist's spreadsheet-database hybrid approach versus NocoDB's focus on converting existing databases into collaborative spreadsheet-like interfaces. Grist is a no-code database platform that combines the familiarity of spreadsheets with the power of relational databases. It lets users create customized tables, views, and formulas to organize complex data without coding. Grist works by allowing flexible data modeling where tables relate to each other and users can build interactive dashboards and reports. Its strengths include strong data linking, advanced formulas, and customizable layouts, making it ideal for users who want spreadsheet familiarity but need database-level control. However, Grist can have a steeper learning curve for those unfamiliar with relational concepts and may require time to set up complex workflows. It suits teams or individuals managing multifaceted projects, data-heavy workflows, or those who want to build tailored applications without programming. NocoDB is an open-source, no-code platform that transforms traditional databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Airtable into a collaborative spreadsheet interface. It works by connecting to your existing databases and providing a spreadsheet-like UI to view, edit, and manage data effortlessly. NocoDB's strengths lie in its ease of setup, compatibility with multiple database engines, and real-time collaboration features. It simplifies database management for users who prefer spreadsheet views but need the reliability and power of SQL databases. Limitations include fewer advanced customization options compared to Grist and less flexibility in creating complex relational data models. NocoDB is ideal for users who want to leverage existing databases with minimal setup, especially teams seeking a familiar spreadsheet interface for database collaboration without building from scratch. Comparing Grist and NocoDB reveals distinct use cases. Grist excels when you need a hybrid between spreadsheets and relational databases, offering deep customization with formulas and linked tables. It's perfect for complex projects requiring tailored data structures. NocoDB shines when you already have a database and want a simple spreadsheet-style interface for collaboration and data entry. It's easier to set up and integrate smoothly with existing SQL databases. The trade-off is between Grist's flexibility and learning curve versus NocoDB's simplicity and reliance on external databases. For teams building new workflows with relational data, Grist offers more power. For those managing existing databases needing a collaborative front end, NocoDB is more straightforward and accessible. Choose Grist if you want a powerful, customizable no-code database with spreadsheet familiarity and relational depth for complex, bespoke data workflows. Opt for NocoDB if you need a quick collaborative spreadsheet interface over existing SQL databases with minimal setup. Both tools excel in different areas, so your choice depends on whether flexibility or simplicity matters most for your data management needs.